Okay, this is 30 dB. This shot is designed to get some idea about the noise issues that you might run into. Alright, this is 27 dB. Looks like I've got this set at 1/40th of a second instead of 1/50th. I don't think it's going to make that much difference on this pan zoom that we're doing, the pan that we're doing. But just it's a little slower than this if you're shooting at 1/50th. Okay, this is 1/24th. Pardon me, this is 24 dB. F 3.5 at 1/40th again. When I get into this light on all these shots so far, the light is on the back wall is showing zebras at 100%. Okay, this is 21 dB. By the way, Cinematone is on in all of these. The Sony Cinema feature. I call it Cinematone, it might be something else. This is 18 dB. This is 15 dB. $12 dB. This is 12 dB. Again, we're shooting at f3.5 with the Sony lens. I got a wide, that's why I'm able to shoot at f3.5, and it's at 1/40th of a second on shutter speed. This is 9 dB. Okay, this Cinematone was at 30 dB. Cinematone is off this time. This is dB21 with Cinematone off. This is dB9 with Cinematone off. Okay, this is the Canon 5D now. Canon 5D at 1/40th, f3.5 at 6400 ISO. This is the Canon 5D at 5000 ISO. This is the Canon 5D at 4000 ISO. This is the Canon 5D at 3200 ISO. This is the Canon 5D at 2500 ISO. This is the Canon 5D at 1200 ISO. I went to the 1200 because we were running out of battery. And we're going to try to get 640 in here too. This is the Canon 5D at 640 ISO. 640 ISO. And that should do it for right now. Okay, this one we're shooting with a different picture style. It's the only thing different with this. This is the Canon 5D again. We're shooting with the Cine-style picture style this time to see if we get a wider latitude. At least in the viewfinder it seems to be wider. Alright, this one is shot at ISO 5000 and same shutter 1/40th and f3.5. ISO 4000 now. Seemed to have more detail and latitude just on the screen, but I got kind of fooled in it last time too. We'll see how this works out. It's kind of proving in my mind. This kind of proving in my mind that the Cine-style sure added some dynamic range to the Canon. Again, we're at 1/40th now at f3.5. Okay, we're shooting this one at 1/40th at f3.5, and this is in the ISO 2500 now. Still seems like I'm getting decent detail in the shadows. Okay, we're at ISO 1250 now. I think I'm still seeing detail in the couch, which I didn't see before, I don't think, at this level. And this is 1/40th f3.5 and ISO 640. Okay, this is ISO 6400, ISO 6400. f3.5, 1/40th of a second. Okay, this is the Canon now, and we're shooting it at at ISO 3200, and this is at f3.5 again and at 1/40th of a second, so we can match what we did with the Sony. This is ISO 800 at 1/40th of a second and 3.5. This is ISO 400 at 1/40th of a second and f3.5. One is ISO 200. I'm not showing much detail, shadow detail on the LCD. We'll see how this looks on disc.